In this video, we will discuss on work, energy and power. The topic we are going to cover are definition of work, example of work, energy, forms of energy like kinetic energy and potential energy, transformation of energy and power. So let's start the video. Work. So what is work? Work is said to be done when a body or object moves with the application of external force. If we kick a football by applying a force F, then the football goes through a distance d. This work is said to be done and can be calculated as W is equal to F into D, where F is the force applied and D is the displacement taken by the ball. For work to be done, the point of application of the force must be displaced and the displacement must be in the direction of the force. If we applied a force on a body and the body does not move, that is, the displacement of the body is 0, then no work is done. The SI unit of work is joule and Newton meter, where 1 joule is defined as the amount of work done to cover a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force when the force of 1 Newton is applied on the body. Work is a scalar quantity. Now the next topic is energy. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to perform work. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred from one kind to another. The unit of energy is same as work, that is joules. All forms of energy are either kinetic or potential. There are different forms of energy. It can be classified into 8 groups. First, mechanical energy. Second, heat energy. Third, light energy. Fourth, electrical energy. Fifth, chemical energy. Sixth, magnetic energy. Seventh, sound energy. And eighth, nuclear energy. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the moving object is called kinetic energy, or we can say that the energy in motion is known as kinetic energy. So the moving object which have mass and velocity, they possess kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is given by 1/2 mass into velocity square, or is equal to 1/2 mv square, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity. Potential energy. The energy possessed by the body due to its position is called potential energy. We use the word potential to describe this form of energy because the body has potential to do work. It does not do any work until it starts to move. The potential energy that a child gains while climbing up a slide is used when he slides down. So, the higher a body is raised above the ground, the greater is the work done on it. Potential energy is given by PE is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity into height, or is equal to m into g into h, where m is the mass, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is height of the body from the ground level. Energy transformation. Energy transformation is the process of changing energy from one form to another. For example, as water falls over a waterfall, its gravitational potential energy is first transformed into kinetic energy. Due to the law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be created nor destroyed, meaning energy just changes form. That is, energy can change from one form to the other. There are some examples in which we can see the energy transformation. Electric motor, such as those in power tools, blenders and washing machine, convert electrical energy into mechanical energy through the interaction of magnetic fields. Sunlight converts to chemical energy in plant through the process of photosynthesis. A television changes electrical energy into sound and light energy. During this transformation, it also loses energy as heat. A toaster changes electrical energy into thermal energy and light. A car changes chemical energy from fuel into thermal energy and mechanical energy. A car battery changes chemical energy into electrical energy and thermal energy. That electrical energy is then changed into light energy, sound energy and thermal energy. Now the simple pendulum. Simple pendulum consists of a small heavy point mass called bob, which is attached to a rigid support by an inextensible and massless string. Let the bob is pulled to the position B. It is raised vertically above its mean position A by a height h. With respect to its mean position, the bob has the potential energy mgh. When it is released, it swings back to A and its entire potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, which is equal to 1/2 mv square. It does not stop at A but moves to the other side because of its velocity. It finally comes to rest at C when its entire kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. From C, the bob swings again to A and then to B, and the process is repeated. The potential energy of the bob is thus converted into kinetic energy, which is again converted to potential energy. Power. When a person applied a force on a body at time t is equal to 0 and after time t is equal to t, the body displaces through a distance s, then the time rate of doing work is called power. If W is the amount of work done by a body in time t, then average power is given by P average is equal to W upon T. Units of power. The SI unit of power is watt. Power is 1 watt if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Other units. Bigger units. Kilowatt, megawatt and gigawatts are bigger units of power, where 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 raised to the power 3 watt and 1 megawatt is equal to 10 raised to the power 6 watt and 1 gigawatt is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 watt. Smaller units, microwatts, milliwatts are the smaller units of power, where 1 microwatt is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 watt and 1 milliwatt is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 watt. Next unit is horsepower, where 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. The relation between energy and power is energy is equal to power into time. The unit of energy is joule, the unit of power is watt, and the unit of time is second. If we know the power in watt of an appliance and how many seconds it is used, we can calculate the electrical energy. For example, if a 60 watt lamp is turned on for 2 hours, how many joules of electrical energy have been converted by the lamp? So, from the relation energy is equal to power into time, putting the value of power and time, we get energy is equal to 432,000 joule.